13 incredible effects on your body when you start eating 2 cloves daily. Cloves are small aromatic spiced buds derived from the evergreen clove tree. Clove is a major spice that is used in many cooking methods around the globe. These dark brown buds give spiciness to many dishes like curries, cookies, bread, etc. You can use them as clove powder or as a whole bud as well. They are not only flavorful but also packed with numerous health benefits. In today's video, we will discuss the amazing effects that can occur when you start incorporating 2 cloves into your daily diet. Number 1. Alleviation of menstrual symptoms. Cloves have been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual symptoms such as cramps and bloating. Consuming 2 cloves in warm water daily can potentially provide relief and promote a more comfortable menstrual cycle. Number 2. Boost immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, including phenolic compounds, which help strengthen the immune system. When you consume 2 cloves daily, you provide your body with a natural defense against harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of infections and boosting overall immunity. Number 3. Boost cardiovascular health. Cloves have been associated with improved cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in cloves may help reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and enhance blood circulation, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting a healthy heart. Number 4. Improved digestion. The active compound called eugenol found in cloves aids in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. By eating 2 cloves daily, you can experience improved digestion, reduced bloating, and relief from gastrointestinal issues. Number 5. Improved dental health. Cloves have natural antimicrobial and analgesic properties, making them beneficial for oral health. Chewing on cloves or using clove oil can help alleviate toothaches, reduce inflammation in gums, and prevent oral infections. Number 6. Enhanced respiratory health. Cloves possess expectorant properties that can help loosen mucus and relieve respiratory congestion. Consuming 2 cloves daily can provide relief from coughs, colds, and bronchial issues, promoting clear and healthy respiratory passages. Number 7. Regulate blood sugar levels. Research suggests that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Including 2 cloves in your daily diet could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Number 8. Improved blood circulation. The compound eugenol in cloves acts as a natural blood thinner, improving blood circulation throughout the body. By incorporating 2 cloves into your daily routine, you can enhance oxygen and nutrient delivery to various organs, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Number 9. Reduce inflammation. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of 2 cloves daily may contribute to reduced inflammation, easing symptoms of arthritis, muscle soreness, and other inflammatory conditions. Number 10. Skin health benefits. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of cloves make them beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. Consuming 2 cloves daily can help fight acne-causing bacteria, reduce blemishes, and promote a clear complexion. Number 11. Improved mental focus. Cloves are known for their stimulating properties that can enhance mental focus and concentration. By eating 2 cloves daily, you may experience improved cognitive function and increased alertness. Number 12. Weight management support. Cloves have been associated with weight management due to their potential to increase metabolism and burn fat. Including 2 cloves in your daily diet, alongside a healthy lifestyle, may aid in weight loss efforts. Number 13. Anti-cancer potential. Cloves are anti-cancer in properties because of eugenol. Many studies explain that eugenol has the capability of killing cancer cells, and it can also hinder tumor growth majorly in cervical and esophagus cancer. Consuming 2 cloves daily may contribute to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. From a boosted immune system and improved digestion to enhanced skin health and reduced inflammation, cloves offer a wide range of benefits. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, share it with your friends and family members, and do subscribe our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy.